Taipei is a big city with many tall buildings, but there is one building that is much taller than the others. It is called Taipei 101, and until 2010 it was the tallest building in the world. It is over 500 meters tall and has 101 floors. That is why the building is called Taipei 101. Taipei 101 is a symbol of Taipei city. A lot of tourists visit the building every day. The building has a very big shopping mall and many restaurants and stores. Most people come to see the observatory, which is near the top of the building. From the observatory, you can see the entire city. It is very beautiful, especially at night. Every New Year's Eve, there is a fireworks display that attracts people from all over Taiwan and other nearby countries like Japan and Singapore.